Good morning, flat earthers. I'm going to try and explain this diagram. This is the circle, 360 degrees. Okay, you all know that. If we put this and we lift here, we have this half dome, okay, of the globe. Now, all you know is I'm a flat earth, and I'm going to explain all the confusion that I believe they made on purpose, just to confuse us. So here, all these lines are all 15 degrees, which is 360 divided by 24 hours, okay, which gives us 15 degrees. But our clock, our wrist clock, or if you want to call a watch, is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. While on the 360, you have from 0 going around and terminating 24 on the 0. Okay? So, what is my theory? Is this: in the morning, here in summertime, the sun rises around 7 something else. Okay? I'm not being exactly on time, but you can research yourself as well. Think for yourself. At 7 on my clock, and at 12 noon the sun is high here, and then it sets. The clock went around again, and it sets around 5:30. Okay? Now, watch this. If we, on the globe, and we went to actual hour, at 5, let's say, at 7 a.m. here, 7 something, and the clock on the same I'm working on here on the inside, and at 12 o'clock the sun is high, and then at 5:30, which is 17 hours, is here. So you can watch now how the sun is going, but it's going in this way. Okay, look at the triangle this time. Okay, remember the dome is here, going up. Okay, and it's going in this way. Okay, if we put on the clock, on our watches, wristwatch, check the triangle. Okay, it's a complete different triangle. Okay, one is there and one is here. Do you see this shape? The G shape of Masonic. How they changed and they made our clock going 1, 2 or 30 degrees instead of 15 degrees. Okay, this is winter time, because in the summertime we have the sun rising here on this clock, on the noon here, point, we have it here. Look at the triangle. It's different. Okay? Let's see the equinox. Now remember, I'm not in this center point. I may be here. Okay? Which gives me different angles. Okay? Because if I put here on a center point here, let's say this is the north, you know, on the 30 degree here, it's obviously the 30 degree is somewhere around here. Okay, this is another thing how they did the what you call the time zone and the saving light. Okay, in winter we have -1 hour, in the summer they'll change to 1 hour. Okay, so let's check here on the equinox. The sun rises here. Always is the sun above Portugal on the 12th hour, and then we have around 9 o'clock going down, which if we did the same thing on a different scale of the clock, the sun would rise here, it would be here, and the sun would go down here at 5. It's 17 hours. You see the triangle figure and the figure of here on the straight line. This is an experiment that you can do yourself or figure out the position, because we don't know the actual position of every country on here, but you can actually calculate according to my theory. With one thing, remember, if Portugal on a GPS says that it's on from here, let's say this is the line of the equator, I'm 37 above, okay, and then again from one of the lines I'd be on the 7 west, and then I would have to redraw this point where they made the true north and the magnetic north, which is here in Portugal about 3 degrees or 2 degrees. Okay, and then this I would have to redraw lines again to find my exact position on this bullshit globe system, as you can figure out yourselves. Okay.